Overdose crackdown. A new law is bringing major change. Starting July 1st, minors can be charged with third-degree murder for dealing drugs responsible for deadly overdoses. It's a law pushed by the Hillsborough County Sheriff. One local mother lost her 17-year-old son after he took a pill laced with fentanyl. The accused drug dealer was the same age.
I am at peace now that my son's death is not in vain. And because of this new law, other families will get justice now. We gotta do better for our community and our children. I don't want to see another mother ever go through what I went through.
And just 4 years ago, Tampa Bay's opioid overdose rate was nearly 10% higher than the rest of Florida and more than 50% higher than the nation, according to Live Tampa Bay.
And now new research shows those numbers are dropping. As 10 Tampa Bay's Chris Hurst explains, new laws and resources might be helping in the fight.
Your age will no longer shield you from the consequences.
Hillsborough law enforcement says it'll be a deterrent to teenage drug dealers.
I can't get charged if I'm under the age of 18. That is not the case anymore.
With the goal to save lives from the opioid epidemic.
If it keeps one child from losing his or her life, we've been successful.
The new law allowing minors to be charged with murder if they sell drugs that kill someone comes as overdose death rates are falling in Florida and around the country.
This news is encouraging. I am optimistic about the work that we are doing and the results that we are seeing.
Deaths are down 30% in Florida, with the CDC reporting in 2024 that there were more than 2,000 fewer deaths than 2023.
When you're addicted to a drug, you don't think about the consequences of that.
Substance use researchers don't attribute the decline to tougher criminal punishments, but say border seizures of drugs and making overdose or reversing drugs like Narcan widely available have bent the curve.
This probably saved many lives.
FSU professor Mohammed Kabaj says putting minors in prison for murder isn't going to help the downward trend.
I agree, like for adults who sell drugs, and they should be punished for sure, but kids, I think they need some kind of rehab or something like that. I think that would be more reasonable.
For Florida lawmakers, though, justice matters too.
Holding drug dealers accountable, no matter how old they are.
Chris Hurst, 10 Tampa Bay.
And just because overdose deaths are declining doesn't mean fewer people are using street drugs. A study this year from the think tank RAND Corporation indicates 11% of Americans have used illicit opioids in the past year, much higher than previously thought.